And hello.
Hello,
And please introduce yourself.
my name is Ridia, and I'm from Australia.
Australia. Thank
Yeah,
you. Nice
Sydney,
to meet you.
Sydney.
Sydney City. And Ridia, can you say to me your story? How you are in Mongolia in this trip?
Yeah, I've come to Mongolia to teach. I'm an ophthalmologist, so I work for a not-for-profit organization called Sight for All, and we are teaching Mongolian eye specialists to become glaucoma specialists. So I'm part of a teaching program. I'm here for a week, and this is almost the end of my week.
I hope, I very sure one thing, you enjoyed your this trip working with the doctors and visiting some Mongolian places. Yes. Wow. Thank you. And
Yeah.
congratulations.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, I'm interested in Mongolian culture, but I'm particularly interested in food because food and health and eye health all go together. So I'm very interested in what Mongolians have eaten through the ages. And so this was a great opportunity to learn about that. And Bea and Zoe showed me and were able to answer so many questions about that, what I'm interested in, which is history of food, what people eat and why they eat it and how it came to be.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. And Ridia, very last question on this short video, name it hashtag Mongolia friend. This video name is like that. And then very final question is, do you have question to our Mongolians? What do you want to know from us?
Well, I'm interested in what Mongolians think of the change in the culture. That there's been a big change in the last 100 years. So I guess looking back at what do you think of the changes that have occurred in your history? You've had the history of like Genghis Khan and all of that period. Then you've also had the Russian period, and now you're coming to your own country. So I'd be interested to know what Mongolians think of all of this change and where you see your future.
Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And some Mongolians, of course, want to write answers, what they know or what they want to share with you. And they should write comment on this video. Yes.
Okay.
And thank you very much. And have a nice day in Mongolia with our Mongolian community people and with Mongolian nature. And maybe I very wish to you see you again in Mongolia.
Okay.
Yes, see you again. Second time, yes? Thank you. Yes. Bye bye.
Bye bye.